Welcome back to our Illustrator tutorial series. Today, we're going to turn a simple star into a stunning flower using the tweak options in Transform and Distort, coupled with some beautiful blending effects. Get ready for a burst of pink and purple floral creativity. Choosing the star as the base. We'll kick things off by selecting a star as the foundation for our flower. Watch as we transform this basic shape into a blooming masterpiece. A star has 5 corners, but here we will take its 30 corners and start our work. You can set as many corners as you want in the star shape and change your design. The use of gradients color definitely makes the images very beautiful and bright. Here we will use gradient colors. Gradient colors are available pre-made, and you can also create them yourself. Just look at the settings, combine different colors, and create a beautiful gradient. Here I have prepared a combination of pink and purple colors. If you want to do it in any other color, then you can do it too. Now let's make a copy of this shape on top of it and reduce its size and group them. In Object, you will find a blend option. Set it. Now, let's infuse some life into our creation with a vibrant color palette. The blending options in Illustrator allow us to seamlessly transition from shades of pink to purple, creating a visually stunning effect. Now our main task will be to use Tweak. For this, we will go to the object and click on Distort and Transform. Here we will get the option of Tweak. Click on this option and set it like this in front of you. A beautiful flower will be formed. For that extra touch of elegance, we'll adjust the opacity of certain petals. This subtle transparency creates a beautiful, ethereal quality within our pink and purple masterpiece. No flower is complete without some intricate details. We'll explore how to add subtle highlights or shadows to certain petals, bringing our creation to life. Watch as we utilize Illustrator's blending options to ensure smooth transitions between the pink and purple tones. This technique adds a seamless flow to our floral design. The pleasant change of colors makes the environment very beautiful. And there you have it, a stunning pink and purple flower born from a simple star. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to experiment with your own color schemes and shapes. Happy illustrating!